Good morning, dear students. This is Saurabh Kumar Tiwari. Today I am going to teach you determiners. Determiner is the one of the most important topic of your grammar. So let's see what are determiners, how many kinds of determiners, and how we can use determiners. Okay? So first of all, what is the definition of determiners? Determiners are words which are used before nouns to fix or define them. They are also called word fixers because they fix the meanings of the nouns that are placed after them. It means determiners are words which are used before noun. We can use determiner before noun to fix or define the noun. What is the work of determiner? They fix or define the noun. That's why they are called word fixers. Okay? Because they fix the meaning of the noun that are placed after them. For example, this is my book. So what is the determiner here? This is my book. So this and my is the determiner here. There are two determiners in this sentence. First one is this and second one is my. In second example, I saw a one-eyed man. So what is the determiners here? A is the determiner of this sentence. He will go by the Rajdhani Express. The, because it fixed the meaning. Rajdhani Express. Which express? Rajdhani Express. Determine the things. That's why we use the. Now, kinds of determiners. There are 6 kinds of determiners. First one is articles. In articles, as you know, there are 3 articles, a, an, and the. Second type of is demonstrative determiners. What is the demonstrative determiner? The determiner which are used to demonstrate anything like this, that, these, those, extras. For example, this is a book, that is a pen, these are the boys, those are the students. Okay? Third one is possessive determiners. What are the possessive determiners? Possessive determiners are those determiners who said about the ownership. जैसे my, or, your, his, her, their, its, extras. For example, this is my book. So my shows the ownership. This is our class. This is your pen. He does his homework, like this. The fourth one is numeral determiners. Like 1, 2, first, second, both. Okay? Third one is quantitative determiners. Like some, much, more, less. And sixth one is interrogative determiners. Like which, whose, what. Today we will discuss about articles. The first type of determiner, that is articles. Articles are divided into 2 categories. Number 1, indefinite article. In indefinite article there are 2 articles, a and an. What is indefinite article? A and an are indefinite article because they do not refer to any particular person or thing. The person or thing is not specifically defined. In a and an, it never defines the particular person. Like for example, I saw a girl in the park. So, I saw a girl. It means any girl, not any definite girl. It may be any Sita Gita. Okay? Second example, Ajay said he wanted an umbrella. An umbrella मतलब एक umbrella. It will be any umbrella, not definite umbrella. Okay. The another kind of article is definite article, and in definite article there is only one article, that is the. The. It is definite because it used to refer to a particular or definite person or thing. The is the definite article because it define, it make definite to anything. For example, the lawyer appealed to the judge. It means a particular lawyer appealed to a particular judge. In the second example, the sun sets in the west. It means sun, a particular object. Set in the west, it means a particular direction. Sun sets always in the west. It means west is a particular direction. Where we use, what are the uses of the? Number one, this is also placed before the following sentences. जैसे a nation, if we write or told any nation name, then we have to use the before, or a party or a community like the French, the Communist, the Sikhs. Here the French is a nation name, the Communist is a party name, and the Sikhs are the community. A gulf, a bay, a canal, a river, an ocean, and a sea. Before the name of these, we have to use the, like the Persian Gulf, the Bay of Bengal, the Satluj Canal, the Gomti River, the Indian Ocean, or the Red Sea. And also, before the range of mountains, we also use the. For example, the Alps, the Himalayas. And before the name of the group of islands, we must use the, like the Andamans, the Solomon Islands. Okay. And before the name of the newspaper, any magazine, or any famous book, we have to use the. Any famous or religious book, we can say. For example, the Times of India, the Hindu, the National Geographic, the Vedas, the Ramayana, the Gita. Okay. And before the public buildings, we can also use the. For example, the Parliament House, the community centers. And before the name of some hotels, we must use the, like the Asoka Hotel, the Taj Hotel, the Spring Restaurant, like this. So these are the uses of the. Now we are going to solve one exercise to know the articles. We have to solve this exercise. Choose the word, choose the most appropriate options from the ones given below to complete the following passage. Write an answer against the blank number. Okay. Dash, weather had got worse. In this sentence, we have to fill a, an, or the, or this. So we have to concentrate only a, and the. So this is talking about weather. So weather is a definite object, you know. So here we use the. The weather had got worse. Next sentence. Tom could see a wizard heading towards him from dash north. Here before north. So what is north? Like west. North is a also particular direction. So if we want to make anything particular, then before that thing we have to use definite article, and that definite article is the. So what we filled in this option? The. So what will be our answer? Our answer, Tom could see a wizard heading towards him from the north. Move to next sentence. He quicked his steps after walking for about dash couple of hours. Dash couple of hours मतलब a couple of hours. Before a couple What is couple? It start with the, which sound? Consonant sound. So before a consonant sound we have to fill A. So after walking for about a couple of hours, he saw dash hut. He saw dash hut. Dash hut means not a particular hut, any hut. It means he saw a hut. It was dash only, मतलब and only abode for miles around. He was about to walk away when he saw dash unused. Dash unused मतलब an unused cycle in a shed. He thought of the idea to ride away on the cycle. These are the answers of this exercise. Thank you very much. From next day we will discuss another kinds of article. Okay.